हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम यू वंस अगेन ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश टाइकून। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की वीडियो में मैं आपसे डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ समरी ऑफ क्लास 10th फर्स्ट फ्लाइट इंग्लिश बुक, एंड दिस इज चैप्टर नंबर 3, टू स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग समरी। एंड दिस समरी आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन द बोथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ। ये वीडियो बाइलैंग्वेज होगा सो दैट you will be comfortable in learning. Fine, dear students. See, the chapter is having, this chapter includes two summaries. There are two summaries in this chapter. What are that? First is his first flight. It is about a flight. Flight means हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? उड़ान. अब ये कोई है जो उड़ने वाला है. Who is that? We'll study. When I will explain you, then you will get. And second is black aeroplane. अब ये black aeroplane summary क्या है? This I will be explaining. So we'll start with the first part of this chapter, the two story about flying. Both story are about flying. And before I start this chapter, I would like to give you, tell you the purpose, the message, or the thing writer wanted to tell you. He is just trying to, writer is just trying to motivate you, just trying to tell you that the strength in you, the power in you, or the power in a person is the only power by which a person can overcome from any kind of problem or any kind of calamity, any kind of disaster, or any kind of fear which he have, that he can only overcome by the power, by the confidence, by the strength, by the stamina which he have inside his heart, his mind. So let's see, start करते हैं चैप्टर और देखते हैं क्या कुछ है. Does this chapter two stories is going to stimulate your confidence or give you a kind of motivation, or what is the intention of the writer? This first flight, part 1, the story I told you contains two story. The chapter contains two story. Part 1 is first flight summary. This is a summary. This is about flight of someone. Here his means a seagull. Someone, I'm telling you कौन है. His stand for a seagull. Actually seagull is a kind of bird which is found especially in the coastal or sea area. So this story is about seagull. Okay, see, the story is his first flight. It's written by Lawrence O. Flaherty and is based on a young seagull. This story is about whom? Is about a young seagull. Yes, young seagull की story है. What is seagull? It is a kind of bird found in the, it is found in the where? It is found in a nearby sea area. Clear? Who was afraid? And it is seagull. ये story किसकी? एक seagull की है. And who was afraid? What was the problem with that seagull? Was afraid to take his first flight. Was afraid to take it first flight because he feared that his wings would not support him while flying. What was the fear of seagull? The seagull was thinking that it could not able to fly because he had never fly. ये जो seagull पे एक small बच्चा था. Clear? And he was sapling था, or you can is which was not able to fly. अभी उसने कभी भी fly नहीं किया. It was his first time to fly. Clear? Now see further. Seagull was afraid to take his first flight. ये जो seagull जो bird था, it was afraid to take his first flight because he feared that his wings wouldn't support him while flying. देखो, the seagull की जो condition थी, it is just like your condition. If I hope if you remember, कोई भी काम जो आप first time करते हैं, not only you, anyone who does any work first time definitely feel fear. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं बहुत छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दूँ, इफ यू स्टार्ट बाइस्किलिंग, अगर आपने पहली बार बाइस्किलिंग स्टार्ट की होगी तो डेफिनेटली आपको डर लगा होगा. स्लोली आपने स्टार्ट किया होगा. ये seagull which had never flied before is going to had to take his first flight, so it was afraid. It did not have confidence on its own wings. He thought that his wings would not support him while flying, so he could not, though his own siblings were flying. All his siblings took his plums to fly means all other were flying instead of this seagull. Siblings means होता है बच्चे, siblings means बच्चे of anyone. ये जो सिबलिंग जो सी गल्फ थे उसके जो बाकी बच्चे थे तो और तो फ्लाई कर रहे थे, बट उसमें से एक जो सी गल्फ था वो फ्लाई नहीं कर रहा था. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज उसको लग रहा था कि उसकी विंग्स उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, वो फ्लाई नहीं कर पाएगा. देखो आल जो प्लंग्स टू फ्लाई, आल इज सिबलिंग्स का मतलब उसके जो भाई छोटे भाई ब्रदर थे, उसके जो बाकी सिबलिंग्स थे, जो सी गल्फ के बाकी सिबलिंग्स थे, वे तो उड़ने के लिए तैयार थे, वो फ्लाई करने के लिए रेडी थे. उस पास उसमें से एक तो जो था वो नहीं उड़ना चाहता था. क्यों? बिकॉज इट वॉज आफ्रेड ऑफ and did not have confidence to fly, fearless in the open air despite having sorted wings than him. अब उसमें से देखो बाकी सब के पास भी sorted wings थे, वो सब भी बच्चे थे, but they were flying instead of एक, उसमें से एक जो था वो फ्लाई नहीं कर रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको लग रहा था कि उसके जो विंग्स हैं वो उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे या वो उड़ नहीं पाएगा. देखो ऑन द कंट्रेरी द यंग बर्ड्स could not musters up courage to take the plunks. Musters up means collect करना, ठीक है. courage due to the distrust on his wings. Definitely if you don't have trust on yourself, देखो if you don't have trust on yourself, distrust on his own wings, जो छोटा सी गिल्फ था उसको अपने ही विंग्स पे भरोसा नहीं था और इसलिए इट वॉज नॉट एबल टू फ्लाई. and even he could not dare to fly, जबकि जो other siblings थे they were flying. whenever he tried to come forward to his brink means किनारा of the ledge while attempting, actually they were seagulls used to make their nest in a mountain or some time of cave. so whenever he tried to fly, it could not able to attempted to fly, he became afraid of and went back. जब भी whenever he tried to fly, he was afraid and could not able to fly. See his parents का मतलब seagull के parents of seagull, जो छोटा पक्षी था seagull, constantly upbraided and threatened him that unless he flew away he could have to starve. Starve means simple thing. जो सी गल्फ के जो पेरेंट्स हैं उसने उसको बोला कि अगर वो फ्लाई नहीं करेगा तो ही हैव टू स्टार्व. स्टार्व मीन्स उसको खाना नहीं मिलेगा, वो भूखो उसको रहना पड़ेगा. डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू वर्क, यू हैव टू फाइट फॉर योर डेली वेजेस, यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर योर डेली वेजेस, वेदर ये ह्यूमन बीइंग हो और बर्ड्स हो, सबको एफर्ट करना पड़ता है अपने भोजन के लिए. तो सेम थिंग दे हैव टू डू. उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको बोला कि अगर आप फ्लाई नहीं करोगे तो यू हैव टू स्टाइव, आपको खाना नहीं मिलेगा, होल डे यू हैव टू बी लाइक दैट. सी ऑन द लेज बट ऑल देयर इफ दे ट्राई टू मोटिवेट हिम बट दिस seagull could not, all their effort was vain. Vain means turn to zero, कुछ भी फायदा नहीं हुआ. It was vain and he would just watch his parents teaching his siblings how to skim the waves and dive for his फिश. एंड जो सी गल्फ होते हैं वो क्या खाते हैं? वे समुद्र से मछलियां पकड़ के खाते हैं. तो व्हाट उसने नोटिस किया कि उसके जो पेरेंट्स थे उसके बाकी ब्रदर्स को क्या सिखा रहे थे? हाउ टू फ्लाई एंड हाउ टू डाइव इन द सी वाटर, सी वेव्स, और हाउ टू कैच द फिश फ्रॉम द सी वाटर. बल्कि ये क्या कर रहा था? वन ऑफ देम ही वाज जस्ट सिटिंग एंड वाचिंग. so this was the thing. Now let's see next. See, on one fine day, the whole family flew to a big plateau and the young seagull for his cowardice and all other fly away in the search of food. But एक जो था जो उड़ नहीं पा रहा था वो कहाँ था? वो it was remaining at the same place because of his cowardice. Cowardice का मतलब होता है having no courage of taking risk or doing something. Next, see, as the sun rays blazed on his ledge, he could feel the heat and was starving since the previous nightfall. And when sun came out, the sunlight was there. He felt hot and hungry because he had not eaten anything from last night. the young bird begged his mother to bring him some food, and the bird requested his mother to young seagull requested his mother to bring some food for him because he had not eaten anything from last night. Next scene. He uttered a joyful scream when his mother quickly picked a piece of fish and flew across to him. And after that, what happened? His mother went down in the sea and came back with a fish in her mouth for the young seagull, and he leaned out eagerly and jumped at the fish, exasperated by the hunger, because the small seagull was very hungry. So he jumped and took that fish in his mouth, and suddenly he fell outward in the open space, and suddenly after that he fell down outwards in the open space. And when he jumped to took the fish, he fell down and started flying. Terror seized him, and when he fell down, he also thought that he could not able to fly, but he noted that his wings were moving. Wings were moving. The next moment he felt his wings were separated out and he was able to fly fearlessly. So उसके बाद क्या हुआ? He found that he had been flying. Though he was afraid that his wings might not or may not support him, but he noted when he was in the air, he found that he was flying, his wings were moving. Finally, the young seagull took his first flight and soared higher and skimmed through the waves and dived along with his sibling. And after that, what happened? This young seagull also started flying, and he took his first flight. उसकी पहली उड़ान थी, उसने फ्लाई किया, और केवल फ्लाई ही नहीं किया, he learnt also how to catch fish from the sea water. So this is the part 1, dear students, जिसमें आपने देखा कि सिबलिंग एक सी गल्फ सिबलिंग जो उड़ना नहीं चाहता था because he was not having confidence, he was afraid of his own wings, he was not having confidence on his own wings, and so he was not able to fly. And after at last he had confidence and he started flying. Now next see the second part. This was the first part, I hope clear. चलिए second part देखते हैं. Black aeroplane, ये क्या है? What is black aeroplane? This story also give you try to inculcate confidence you by telling you that if you have confidence on yourself, you can do anything very easily, like previous chapter here, previous part of this chapter, first part of this story, where you learn that if you have confidence on yourself, you can do anything. So see what is the summary of this Black Aeroplane. This chapter is a mysterious story written by Frederick Forrest that revolves around a pilot. See, this is a story, this is a mysterious story, and this story is told by revolves around this story revolves means centered around a pilot, means in this story आपको एक पायलट मिलेगा, उसके अराउंड ये सारी स्टोरी है. चलिए देखते हैं क्या है. The narrator of the story is pilot who wanted to be with his family and enjoy a wholesome breakfast with them in England. Actually, this story is told by the pilot himself, who is in a flight, and and this is the writer name, he have extreme desire to have breakfast, to have time, to give time to his family in England. Okay, and for that what he have to do? He have to fly. For that he have to fly, and he had to fly from France to England to spend time with his family. And he have to go, he was in France and he have to go from France to England for giving or having some time with his family. Once he crossed Paris, being a pilot, crossed Paris, he came across a storm cloud that looked like a black mountain. When he was in his plane and he was flying the plane and he was in the sky, he came across a black cloud, looked like a mountain, which was looking like a mountain in the sky. However, he flew through the cloud and soon realized that everything around him had turned completely black. And when the pilot took the plane inside the black cloud, he found that it was not a cloud, it was not a mountain, it was a cloud. And when he entered in that cloud with the plane, he found himself lost. It was all black all around him, completely black. Nothing was visible to outside the aeroplane as he lost control of it, and it seemed to him that he has lost control on his own plane. Suddenly he noticed that there was another aeroplane, but fortunately he noted there was another plane. He noted what he noted. This is the main point. What he noted, another plane, but actually what he noted in the black cloud, he noted there was another plane, but with no light, and there was no light on its wings, and that plane was having no light and on its wings. The pilot of the aeroplanes waved his hand, and see, fortunately the pilot in the second plane, which was visible to him, waved hand to him and signaled him to follow him, because it was completely dark and this pilot could not able to navigate, fly proper way. He blindly followed the other pilot, since radio signal of his plane were not reachable, because his radio signal was not active, or he was disconnected with the radio signal to find, which helped him to find the road. Even the fuel tank was also overrun. का जो fuel tank था, जो plane का fuel tank था, वो भी क्या हो रहा है, over हो रहा. So soon he passed through the dark cloud and landed safely on the runway with the help of the other pilot. And after a few time he landed on the ground very safely with the help of the second plane. And after uplandings, he inquired about the reception, about whom the other pilot was who helped him in such a critical situation, as he wanted to thank him for saving. Also, when he get down at the airport, he went to the reception to find out that who was the pilot of that second plane which landed with him. And when he inquired, there a surprising thing happened. The woman at the reception told him that the control center told him that there was no other aeroplane in the night sky other than his aeroplane. What he felt in the sky there was another plane, and he followed him, and he very safely get down. When he get down, he asked to the reception who was the pilot, and he was told by the reception there was no other plane in the sky at the time when he get down, or when he was flying. It was only he or his plane was there in the sky. So it was a very, very, very surprising thing for the pilot. So what is the message, what is the theme, what is the conclusion of the chapter? See, the two story about the flying. There are two stories that teaches us the inner strength and determination is necessary to overcome fear. I told you in the beginning that the story will tell you, motivate you, and will make you, stimulate you to have faith on yourself and your inner confidence, because that will only help you to overcome from any kind of problem. Having this courage to face tough situation help us to overcome complex situation in our life. Why? Because the confidence, the strength you have inside yourself, that will help you to overcome or to fight with any kind of situation. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. इस चैप्टर का थीम है कि अगर हमारे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस है तो हम किसी भी समस्या, किसी भी प्रॉब्लम से इजीली ओवरकम कर जाएंगे. तो बोथ स्टोरी टीचेज अस सेम थिंग. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको समरी समझ में आई होगी. तो सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड please share the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share it in your friend circle. And please do share it with such students who is looking for it but who is not getting it. Thank you. Jai Hind. Goodbye.
अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, ताकि आपको मेरे सारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले.